It all starts with fresh, hand-picked red grapes, harvested at the perfect moment for maximum sweetness and flavor. Once the grapes are harvested, they're carefully transported to the factory where the magic happens. The grapes go through a thorough washing process to remove any dirt or residue, ensuring only the best quality fruit goes into your juice. Next, the grapes are carefully crushed to extract the juice, while preserving the flavor and nutrients. The freshly extracted juice is then collected into large stainless steel tanks, ready for the next stage. To ensure a smooth, clear juice, the liquid passes through a filtration system that removes any unwanted pulp or solid particles. The juice is pasteurized to kill bacteria, preserving flavor and shelf life before it's bottled and sealed. After a final quality check, the bottles are labeled and packed, ready to be shipped to stores near you.
Wow, it looks so good!
It does. Let's try it.
So perfect!
The best.